What's up, D gang? It's your girl Delicia, and
Pause.
So you really finna disappear, then come back, post another video like you haven't been gone for 8 months? See, what had happened was, so that's what we doing now? Really? Look, I know I've been gone for a hot minute, but I'm back now. We making content, and I'm gonna try my best to stay consistent. Okay? You say that now, but then 8 months later, you finna be like, what's up, D gang? It's your girl Delicia, and I know I've been gone for a hot minute, but I can I get back to my video now? Thank you. Anyways, what's up, D gang? It's your girl Delicia, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I slick my hair back. I don't know why I'm moving my hands a lot, but we gonna deal with it. We gonna roll with it. It's what it is. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Okay, so so some things you're gonna need is you're gonna need some water, preferably in a spray bottle, a comb, a mini comb, or a styling brush edge layer thingamajiggy. I forgot what it was called, but you gonna need that, or maybe not. I don't know. Styling gel. I use Eco Styler in the red cap. First things first, you're gonna need to part your hair on the side. I usually do my left side. It might look like the right side to you, but I part the left side, kind of near like my eyebrow arc here. If I look this way a lot, it's because I have a mirror here and I'm using it. Sometimes I part it like 2 to 3 times just to make sure that it's where I want it. I think that looks okay. And if you see red in my scalp, it's because I have this clay thing that turns my hair red. I just wanted, not red, but it's like, I wanted it red, but it came pink, so I don't know. But yeah, if you see red in my part, then it is what it is.
It is what it is.
You're gonna need to part it like that. Take some water and you're gonna spray all around here. So spray it up. Okay. And you're just gonna comb it in. Okay. Sometimes when I'm gelling my hair, I like to put it in a loose bun so it holds my hair back, kind of making it easier for me to lay my edges. I brush this part to the side like that, and then all the hair I have right here, I try to keep up like that. You can see it, so that from when I swoop it down here, this part kind of lifts up straight, if that makes sense. You don't want it too tight or you're not going to be able to swoop your edges properly. So something like this, not special, just, you know, grab some of your gel. Grab as much as you want. I usually start off with that, and I start on the part of my hair. I forgot what I was gonna say. Take your comb and you're gonna brush it through like that. This much at a time. You don't need a lot. Unless your hair is like really thick, then maybe you might need a little more, but my hair is thin when it's wet, so I only put like this much anyway. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna take it and I use my finger to keep it smooth and in its place so I can swoop it to the side like that. See if I can do it in the camera first. And then after you do that, you can take the hair under it and brush it down like that. And then you're gonna do it again underneath right here. And you're gonna keep doing it along the side. I usually get like 3 on this side and 3 or 4 on this side. Whenever I do this one, I always struggle for some reason. I always like go like that because I always hit my ear and it bothers me. If you need to, you can use your finger and go over and smooth it out like that. And then you can also use the end of your comb to like go along the cut in each edge. So you're gonna have something like this on this side. Okay. So on this side, put a little more on the end again. Brush in the gel. This is how I do it. So for me, it's like I have some pieces of hair missing there, and that's usually where I know where to part it. So kind of like not in the middle for you, but a little bit over. And then you're gonna take this part of your brush, hold the rest of it up, and you're gonna kind of like swoop it down. It's kind of hard, but like that. And again, when you're doing it, you can use your finger to hold it in place as you're swooping. Like that. And then you're gonna take it, you can hold it, and then brush the rest down. So it's a little more clean. This part for me is always hard to keep down on my head because it like sticks up and then out. So you can spray it again if you need to. Let me grab more gel. I use a lot of gel. Well, not a lot, but more than what's usually seen on like YouTube or Instagram. So let me just... If your hair is like mine and it's hard to keep down, you can apply gel, like I said earlier, on the end of your brush or your comb and push it down like that. So this is what I do now. So now I take the rest of my hair out. And sorry if I'm like looking like back and forth like that. It's because I keep forgetting that I have to look at the camera lens and not at myself. Okay, so for this part, I just hold my hand. I hold my hair with my hand. Then I'll grab a little bit. I have bangs, so like my hair will stick up. So I have to... I use the gel and I slick it down so it blends in with my hair, so it's not like, you know, so it doesn't poke out. So for the front part of my hair, sometimes I use this. You don't have to, I haven't used this the whole time. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't because it keeps pulling out pieces of my hair. But this, I just use this for the front part just to give it like a kind of up and curve kind of look, if that makes sense. So what I do now is you put your hair in a tight bun, so, or you can leave it in a ponytail if you like it like that. I usually just put it in a bun. So what I do is I either take it and I'll keep rolling it like this. It's hard, my finger gets cut. I'll roll it like this and then I'll keep going around. Use a hair tie to keep it secure, or you can put your hair in a ponytail and then wrap it around in a bun. I think I'm just gonna do this though. Like that. And then sometimes when I put my hair in a bun or something, my edges will fall out of spot or they'll clump up and it won't look nice. You can always go over it again. Okay guys, this is the final result. Okay, I got 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on this side. This doesn't really count, but yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the final product. Oh yeah, you from the. One more thing I wanted to add is that at the end, when you're done, you could use a headband or a bandana or anything to really just put over it and secure it. I don't know where my bandanas are and I lost my headbands. I'm gonna use my belt. You know, whatever works. I'm gonna place it on top very carefully because you don't want to move it. Okay. I usually keep this on for like 20 minutes, or like I'll watch an episode of something, or I'll go get something to eat, or just play video games or something, or whatever. Kind of just let time pass. You can use a blow dryer, but I'd rather not put heat on my hair right now because I'm trying to dye my hair soon. I might dye my hair red. I've been thinking about it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to when all this quarantine stuff is over and stores are open and stuff. This is kind of making me like short hair. What if I just cut like finger waves? People said I would look nice with that. Hey yo. What can we talk about while it's drying? What this thing? Advanced hand sanitizer. Stay home, kids. Ow! Damn. I want to share this with you guys. I got a fat beanbag chair. This is how big it is compared to me. It's not really that high when you're sitting in it, but it's mad comfortable. Let me put this shit back. Booty cheeks. No, not there. Right now. Missed my mouth. I'm gonna just take it off now because I'm getting impatient. I don't know what to do, so. Oh snap, who's that? Know what I'm saying? That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. I'm a bad at beat. What you looking at? Yes, sir. I know this video is gonna be mad cringy, but like content's content. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Okay, guys, that was it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure you smash the like button. Why is my thumb broken? Okay, guys, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it. You best like it. Well, you mean. Okay, guys, that was it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I won't be back for another 8 months, but no, I'm joking. I'll be back. I'll be making content for y'all. Let's get them popping. I'm literally the worst at ending my videos. I'm like so awkward, it's disgusting. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We out. You say that now, but then 8 months later, you're gonna be like, what's up, D-Gangs? Your girl Alicia, and I know it's been 8 months.